In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly close a chat in WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop. This is a simple trick that helps you exit a conversation view and jump back to your chat list without deleting anything or leaving any groups. It's especially handy when you want to quickly tidy up your screen, reduce distractions, or step away from a conversation without making any changes to your messages. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser or launch the WhatsApp Desktop app, whichever you prefer. If you're using the web version, make sure you're already signed in and the page has fully loaded. On the desktop app, just make sure the window is active and visible. The key point here is that WhatsApp needs to be the active window so your keyboard shortcut is recognized. Next, go to the chat you want to close. Click on the conversation in your chat list so it opens on the right side. This can be an individual chat or a group chat. Either works the same way. You're not changing anything in the conversation by opening it. You're simply viewing it, which sets the stage for closing it cleanly. Now, press the S key on your keyboard. That's the escape key in the top left corner. This works on both Windows and Mac OS. If pressing ES key doesn't seem to do anything right away, make sure the WhatsApp window has focus by clicking anywhere inside the conversation area, then press S again. If you have an emoji picker, a search bar, or a small pop-up open inside WhatsApp, the first press of ES might close that overlay. A second press will then exit the conversation view. On some keyboards, especially compact or laptop models, ensure the key isn't disabled by a function lock. When you press ESC with the chat active, the conversation view closes, and you're taken back to your main chat list. Nothing is deleted, muted, or archived. You're simply out of that conversation pane. You can reopen the same chat anytime by clicking it again in the list. Think of this as a clean, fast way to back out of a chat without using your mouse to find a back button. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp Web or Desktop, navigate to the chat, press ESC, and you're back to your chat list. It's quick, reliable, and great for staying focused or keeping your screen uncluttered. Give it a try the next time you want to exit a conversation in a single keystroke.